It says evil ice throw. Hey guys, we are finally back in Tokyo. We had missed our first bullet train, so we pulled in at a later train. So now it is 4:30-ish. We have dinner with my cousins at 7, so we're just gonna chill around the area for a bit before we meet them up for dinner. This is probably the smallest hotel room out of the entire trip. This is the entrance, and right when you enter is the bed, lounge area, and then behind this sliding door is the bathroom situation. So this is definitely one of the smallest one. When we first entered, Kelly asked where's the rest of the room, which is so fitting because this is honestly really tiny. I didn't realize when given the measurement it said it was 194 square feet. I didn't think it was this bad, but I forgot that it also includes a bathroom. So I think the bathroom is too spacious for this little space. Yeah, we're gonna try to see if we can fit all of our luggages here. We only have my carry-on so far. We shipped the rest of it, so we're gonna see how we're able to repack everything in a small room. We hopped into the store called 3 Points Plus and I grabbed some snackies. This is a shrimp rice cracker, and I also got matcha popcorn to try. This is like the biggest 3 Points Plus store I've ever seen. It's kind of like their 99-cent store, but everything is like 300 yen and up, which is equivalent to like $1.50. I got other soy sauce dishes. We got a tuna tartare and seared scallop. Finally met up with the cousins. We're currently at dinner. Should I just get in there? Take the seaweed off too. This like scallop is juicy. Take this. Alright, let's. It's good. Oh good. Oh, stop. Before 6:30. Oh, I got. We finished dinner and now we're at a crepe place. You finished dessert and now we're on our way to Don Quijote. We're gonna get lost in there again. Okay, update. This is the most ghetto Don Quijote ever. Like, it starts on a street apparently. I didn't know this one was gonna be this ghetto. Usually we're inside like a building. Always, it is so overwhelming here. I think I want to try another try, but I want to buy the shampoo. I forgot to update you guys, but this is our haul from Don Quijote. We couldn't fit it, so it's currently under our beds. We bought so much stuff. 7-Eleven, and I got this evil ice throat thingy. My throat usually get a little rashy in the morning, so I'm hoping this will fix it because it says warding off evil ice throat, whatever that translation is. So I'm gonna try. I grabbed a rice ball. This one is a spicy carbo mayonnaise. I've had this before. It's pretty damn good. I'm gonna cut off like that much. USA. Finished with our hair appointment. I cut it pretty short. The treatment made my hair look so soft, and look at how shiny. Currently at a sukiyaki place waiting for food. Appetizer just came. Honestly, I forgot what it is, but this is definitely roast beef, and then I think that is pickled something. Side salad. Oh, looks so good. Our sets also came with desserts. I honestly don't know what's in here. It looks like a drink with grapes in there.
I think they're all melons.
It's melon juice. Very refreshing. On the menu, it doesn't list like what it is. You just order your entree and it says it comes with like apps and dessert, but like nothing else is listed. Very refreshing.
You can have mine.
Hey guys, so we're back at the same sushi spot we went to last night, but a different location. This one is all you can eat, which we were supposed to go to yesterday, but Carmen gave us a little address. So now I'm here with Kelly, and we will enjoy the all you can eat. My first piece is roasted scallop. Ooh. Wow. This is my second round. That is spiny tuna with sweet shrimp. This is my third plate. That is tuna with scallions, and that is roasted yellowtail. I've lost count, but this is my next plate. That is crab meat with crab liver paste and then a hakira. I ordered a corn salad one. See my plates? Corn salad and then my roasted scallops. I think that will bring me to the 20 pieces. I got more sweet shrimp and then my first uni. For my last piece, I had to get the tuna again. Damn good. Guys, so we're at Shibuya. We're crossing right there. Oh my gosh, you guys see it?
What's happening?
Madness and mayhem at this crossing. It is insane here. We're currently on the way to Shibuya Loft for some more sushi. We're in that loft now and we're looking for We found another gaming store with all these claw machines. Kelly's trying to win me the Mofu-san. This is potato salad. It's looking very interesting. I didn't bring my tripod today, so you guys are gonna have to balance on my phone. We got seafood pancake and then a monkfish liver. Our first of the yakitoris came. We got beef, and that should be a pork belly. I forgot to film, but I took a bite of the beef. So good. I feel like we always eat like we're a family of 4. We got king oyster mushroom. That is a meatball, and that is foie gras. So delish.
Failed. It's jelly.
We tried. Our last 2 skewers, shishito peppers, and a shiitake. We're currently inside Hands, and Kelly won me another mofu-san. This is an orca. Guys, we found it, but they're all sold out. Oh. Wow, cute one. Our appetizer is a salad with egg and chicken. We also got calamari. We also got street corn. I got sauce all over my face. Our entrees came out. They didn't ask me how well I want my steak, so I think this is gonna be sent back. I don't like it when my meat is so purple. I guess I'll try it first. Yeah, I don't know. The steak is looking raw for me. It's mooing. Is it possible to cook it a little more? Thank you. Most people find that appetizing, but like when I see that, I'm just like, no thank you. I hate sending food back. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah. Wow. Second time around, back and better than ever. Then we tried to go home and pack our suitcases, but our hotel room was so freaking small. This is what we had to do. We shoved all of our suitcases and the furniture into our bathroom so we can repack everything that's on our beds. Good morning, guys. It is day of our flight. We're leaving Japan. A very sad day. But guess where we're at? Korean Chinese restaurant. I really wanted fried chicken that I didn't get in Korea, so we're gonna get it in Japan. We got some banchans here. That one is seared cucumbers and the radishes. Some mandu. Oh, arigato. Also packed my tripod already, so this is just gonna happen. Wow.
A few minutes later.
And this is our finale. Feasted. We're back at the claw machine getting some donkey merch. It's pretty cute. Guys, what the hell is this soju thing? Like, I've never seen that before. What? I don't get what it says. It is soju flavored mouthwash. Why would I want that? Hey guys, guess where we're at. I have an update. I lost Kelly, but I did find this black head gel that I was looking for. I haven't seen it anywhere else, and this was the last one, so I'm guessing they are popular. Heading to check out, and then I'm gonna find Kelly after. So got bingsu, strawberry, and green tea. Came with tangulu.